Welcome to the Little Beading Closet. I'm Sherry. Thank you for joining me in making the Lovley Lattice bracelet. Today we're going to be working on this Backlit Petroleum color. And this is a sample that I had shown last week for this upcoming tutorial. At the end, I'll use it to show you how to add the scalloped edge if you'd like. They're beautiful in a single color or if you do more than one. The supplies for today's lattice bracelet, you'll need 45 to 52 Gemduos and size 11 seed beads. A clasp of your choice. You can use one with 2 points of connection. You could just use a plain one single magnetic clasp. You can use a toggle clasp. And then if you want to add the scalloped edge, you would need size 15 seed beads and 3mm fire polish also. Let's begin. I recommend using a crystal fire line for this project so you can't see it, but that would make it difficult to follow along. So for the tutorial, I'll be using smoke. To begin your lovely lattice stitch, enter into this hole here of your diamond duo Gemduo and pull it down, leaving about an 8-inch tail for your clasp later. And then enter into the other hole of that Gemduo you just put on. Pick up 5 of your size 11 seed beads and then 1 more of your Gemduos, again entering the same direction, pulling your needle through. We're going to let those come sit next to this first one and enter into the empty hole of the Gemduo you just put on. So now you have 2. Pick up 5 more of your size 11 seed beads and 1 more of your Gemduos. This time, enter into this hole here, pulling my thread through, again letting those sit next to the ones that we just had added, and enter into the empty hole of the same Gemduo. Again, pick up 5 size 11 seed beads, one more Gemduo, again entering into it from this direction here. Bring it next to everything else that you've added and enter into the empty hole of it. Pulling my thread through. So go ahead and pick up 5 more size 11 seed beads. And enter into the hole that your tail is coming out of. And pull this all together. Now I'm going to pick this up. And coming out here, I'm going to enter back into the same one. And come through 3 of my size 11 beads. Just 3. Coming out of the third one, let me bring you in closer. We're going to pick up 3 more size 11 seed beads and move on to the next wall of seed beads and go through the third one. Pulling my needle and thread through. Again, picking up 3 size 11 seed beads and coming into the third one Again, we're going to pick up 3 size 11 seed beads and come into the third one. Again, we'll pick up 3 size 11 seed beads and come into the third one, which is also where we started. So you can see here, pulling this through, we have this started. From this point, come up 2 seed beads and we're going to get a diamond duo to sit right here in the middle. So go ahead and enter into your diamond duo. And come into the 2, well, you can do all 3 or 2 at a time. Come in 2 right here through the middle one and the 2 underneath it. Pulling my thread through nice and tight. Go through your diamond duo and then into the 2 seed beads here, and if you can, okay, the 2 seed beads there, the middle one right here at this point. Now I'm going to needle up to the point of this diamond duo by coming through the 3 seed beads here on this side of it. Okay. Through this middle point. Now that we're at the top here of this diamond duo, we just want to needle from this point here down to and coming out of this Gemduo. So we'll just go down all these. And come out the Gemduo. Pulling this together. Go ahead and pick up 1 Gemduo from this direction, 5 of your size 11 seed beads, and 1 more Gemduo from this direction. So you have this on your needle, and enter into the Gemduo on top here and the 2 size 11s underneath it, pulling that next to my work. I'm going to turn it, come through the middle one, the middle of the X, through these 2 size 11s and the Gemduo if possible. Let's try that again. There we go. And then needle into this Gemduo and all the way up to the next. So come out this Gemduo here. And needle into the empty hole of this one, pulling everything tight. Coming out of here, we're just going to start this one more time. So picking up 5 size 11 seed beads and one more Gemduo, entering this direction, and then coming into the empty hole of it. Again, we'll pick up 5 size 11 seed beads, one more Gemduo this direction, come into the empty hole of it, 5 more of your size 11 seed beads, four and 5, and come into the empty hole of this diamond duo here, and then needle into this, the other hole of the diamond duo you just went into, and come up to the 3rd seed bead. So coming out of the 3rd seed bead on this loop, pick up 3 more and come into the 3rd seed bead here, pulling your needle through. Again, pick up 3 of the size 11 seed beads, come into the 3rd seed bead here. Again, I'm going to pick up 3 size 11s, come into the 3rd seed bead here, just like that. And again, 3 more size 11s, and come into this 11 here. So we'll just add another diamond duo here in the center. So needle into 2 of the size 11s, put your Gemduo on like so. So it will sit here in the middle of this little diamond. There's this 11 at the point, 1 after it, then enter into those 2, go through the middle seed bead, sort of the middle of an X, and come down 2 more seed beads, then go through your diamond duo, and into these 2 seed beads before the middle of your X, come through the middle of the X, and then come up 2 seed beads, or I'm sorry, come up 3 seed beads here through the middle 11. Now your thread is exiting the 11 here, and you just want to come down here to this Gemduo. So go ahead and needle through the diagonal until you get down here, coming out of this Gemduo. Now that you've done it, it's getting simple. Go ahead and you can pick up 1 more Gemduo, 5 of your size 11 seed beads, and 1 more Gemduo. So we have these on our needle, and we're going to come into this Gemduo on top, needle back down, continue around. I need to come through the middle X, through these two in the Gemduo, through the Gemduo, and up the 11s, coming out of this Gemduo here, and then back into the other end of it. Just ready to continue this pattern. Continuing with my pattern until I have a length that I need, plus my clasp. I want to make sure I'm ending with one of these segments where the diamond duo will sit in the middle. So this will be my last part before I add my clasp. Completed my last little bit, and I'm exiting the Gemduo here. So I'll go ahead and pick up one size 11 and come through a hole here on my clasp. I think I'll pick up 4 more of the 11s and come down through the other hole. Pick up 1 more 11 and come into my Gemduo. Now what I'll do is needle through this thread path a few more times to get it nice and secure. Then attach the other end the same way. To work on my scalloped edge, I added 3 feet of thread to a needle and knotted it onto my bracelet and brought it so my needle was coming out the first Gemduo set along the edge. This is where I'll be picking up a 15, 3 millimeter, and a 15, and coming into the next Gemduo. I'm gonna go ahead and go and 2 of the size 11s past that Gemduo. I think for this bracelet, I want to go ahead and add a little scallop to every set. So what you'll do is just needle through your size 11s until you're in position at the next set of 2 Gemduos along the edge. And then go ahead and pick up another 15, 3 millimeter, and 15, and come into your Gemduo, maybe some of the 11s after it. And all you're going to do is continue going down the edge, adding your 15s and 3 millimeters between every set of 2 Gemduos, and then turn around at the end and complete it on the other side. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.